This review is of Simply Nature Organic Cinnamon Raisin Granola Cereal. Good source of fiber, cholesterol-free, Parav, non-GMO, of course. It's free from 125 artificial ingredients and preservatives. It's a product of Canada, certified organic by EcoCert Canada, 91112. Nutrition facts. Half a cup has got, what is that, 6 grams of fat, of which half a gram is saturated, 2 are PUFAs, 3.5 are MUFAs, no cholesterol, 55 milligrams of sodium, 37 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber, 15 grams of sugar, of which 9 are added, and 5 grams of protein. And these are the ingredients. Lots of sugar, of course. Too much sugar. Right. Let's try it. Honestly, it needs more cinnamon. It's okay, but as it stands, it's not impressive, which is sad. So I'll give this a 6.5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.